Hi, hello, namaste, vanakkam, welcome back to my channel. I'm Navya. I know it has been so long since I showed up here. I was going through some up and downs in my life. I thought I should not carry away with those emotions. So I'm back here and making this video. I hope you all support me the way you people used to do before. So today's video is about getting the outfit from the scratch. Sejal has made a video on this. She has made a video for Diwali. So how it works means first you need to make a sketch of what you want and then go out, get the fabrics. So and finally you need to go to a tailor and need to explain what you exactly want. So my idea was getting a crop top skirt and a dupatta. For going out for fabric, little did I know was just to get something in yellow color. So I went to Mem Sahib in Kotapet. You can find these shops anywhere in city. Kotapet was nearby my house, so I went to Mem Sahib Kotapet and was searching for yellow color materials. Randomly I found this yellow color net with golden color sequence. It is not exactly gold, but it is like the chocolatish goldish sequence. So without any further thoughts I got this. So for the crop material I thought of going for another fabric, but I did not like anything as such. So finally I settled up with this chocolate goldish color net material. So crop top and skirt is done. I left with dupatta. So for dupatta I have taken this pastel green color and got some what are these called? Got some lace for this from the shop, from the same shop itself. So we are done. So the final step is going to the tailor and explaining everything. I did not make this 2 days or 3 days before. I made this outfit 15 or 20 days back. I thought of showing this after watching Sejal's video. I just got inspired from her video and making this. And I did not make any particular sketch because I know what exactly I want. So I did not make any sketch. I directly went to the fabric shop and got everything. So after getting it from my tailor, this is how it looks. I'm going to open this properly and show it to you guys. So I don't know if the camera is going to pick up these pastel colors or not. This is the dupatta. This is this beautiful pastel green color with these sequence kind of lace. And the next one is this skirt. This beautiful lemon yellow color skirt which has gold and kind of chocolatish sequence. This is how it looks. I have totally liked the stitching. She's my routine tailor. I did not go for any this high-end tailors or not. She's a tailor who is from my colony itself. So I got it done from her. If anyone of you are interested to get the details of her, I would definitely help you all with the details. This is how it looks. For this skirt I got almost 4 meters of fabric because I wanted a really big flare. So I got 4 meters of fabric. I have got 2 linings. Like the first one is the satin material. Satin is nothing but the soft material which has some shining, something like that. And the last one is this cotton material. So I'm not going to show you the blouse here itself. I'm going to show you that in the next clip. So coming to the fabric details, as I mentioned earlier, I got 4 meters of this shimmer material, cotton materials 3 meters each. And coming to this dupatta, I got this almost like 3 meters. For dupatta 3 meters is enough. Like I thought of getting only 2, but my mom was like 2 meters is not enough for dupatta, so I got 3 meters of this. And the lace is from PVT Market. I would be linking the address below in the description box. This was like I got this 5 meters because the dupatta length is 3 meters left and right. We need the lace for up and down also, so I got this 5 meters. I think this was quoted around 30 rupees per meter, so I got 5 meters of this lace. For blouse material, I got 1 meter of blouse material and made it stitched. Like, I opted for sleeveless, but I also asked my tailor to give me the sleeves, like 3/4 sleeves. If at all, if I want to wear it with sleeves, then I can just attach those sleeves and wear it. I wore this outfit for Dasara. I just thought of showing you guys how I made this outfit, so that's it. I got this complete outfit around just 2000 rupees, including all the expenses like lining cost, the tailor charges, and everything else. Everything I got under 2000 rupees, not exactly under 2000 rupees, but between 2000 and 2100 rupees. In case if you guys want to know the tailor details, you can always ping me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Nayalooks, NAYALOOKS. Today guys, I hope you all like this. This is my story of getting the outfit from the scratch. I hope to see you all soon. Bye bye.